Here is our turkey, guys. There's a lot of them. They're having fun. Make hunting for worms after a good rain. For how many days? Like 2, 4, 6, 8. Like 10 of them. Yeah, like they are all females. Can hardly to see because of the trees behind at the back of them. Hello guys, what is this? Look at this one. That's a salamander. Look how big he is. Of course, he's we found him crawling here. So he's trying hard to. And I don't know where he came from, but we just saw him crawling here in the driveway. I think he's hungry. I think he go out and try to find some food today. I don't know what kind I think he wants some bugs. But yeah, we kinda get his privacy today. We kinda disturb his hunting today. That's a big salamander. Usually I find them small, but this one is big. 5 years old or more than that. Look like his tail is cut, huh? But yeah, he is trying to find a nice food. It's so cold today that makes him hungry. Some privacy. Look at this little two nose. Little hole in his nose. That's a big 1, 2, 3, 4. He's really fat there. He's looking around. Because I cannot see anybody here. Where are they? Get out from there. They got nice horns. Evidently his horns is not yet dropped. He still have a complete horns. Oh, there's another one running in there. Is that Adu? Oh, it's Adu. That's what he's looking, them does. Where are you, does? The does is having fun running around. Somebody's looking at me while I was eating here. Why these people are too nosy of the deers? So pretty.